Entina 666 on Illuminati. Freemasons ayi dame. Na Illuminati. Any skull and bone. Also the any lewd.
Mona di lewd ba.
Yes. Answer about 6 million. What you must change 6 million. 6 may lead you.
Hey, brother, top part.
Me say, me kaso be say.
Daniel Puniti. Nancy had the answer to the big assassin.
One say,
Lewd do not body 6 million.
Abano sadais na abano. One say up to 6. No be sa.
That be chim.
It is about 6 answer ubo just about 6 answer na what me add you abano master.
Who fear until so many 6.
Yes. Good. Your time is coming now. Say yes 6 ne kura you can go at me finance.
Mystery I will lose.
Yes, and we shall not develop it. Mu bo luda ba. You see 6 million. 6 million.
Bosses answer what yes.
Yes.
Unyi says be ultimate.
No, time is coming. Ultimate finance 6 already. Already.
Prophet Pata 4.
Yes.
Hey!
Until who buys 6 million, 6 million or as yet to say 6 may lead you. Now, no, about to 6 million.
All right, I'm sorry for Mobibia Kwaba Kumasi online television. Samson I will pay free. Zenith TV and the Panda TV. And if you are that, we are phoning in a share. Aha. Samre Emrason, say was a share prophet or pata for Nene. Obisa and Norma Munimi and Sabida, the Yan Shada and Chesso, because you were 40 days in my out broswa. To say, aha, easy. Namijuma nya beto ba yese ye be ye no ya ye be ye abusuafo ni nyina wo ha aha itie we ye ba sisia
odifo patafo baby antokpade ndi asori e wona mpatade ndi sori enti ne yefre odifo patafo ka ye bibremu nimfuai wo se preteteku a ne ho bon waduduro be fie akura mpa okuchireku okataba ko a wokofa baifo kro wo sese duodu akomia okofro kasamprebu asani a osi nonso yeso boafo kwatwi akwa wo hunu dom serie kire duma ko satia wodi huhumu kumu akotene na wan na metutu na yampia ya odifo patafo the zenith of the heavens ministry no ono na awurade adom ni tumi se onfa nyame manti se baye ni obi di asie aduma ho asem ayede ama wo bobra wo hu ano usika asem nkoyie adwadie ho nsem enkoyie wakwantue ho nkrata asem aye basa na wo pe hu mu ahode so aye awurade aduma na wie ya ene odifo patafo enti sa kire wo so a friend wo 0540770896 ana 0206566150 Odifo patafo otwadua bonya nkrumpo bekoso aye onyame ama na ko adifo so aye nokwafo
right sane medika mamunya ntie no ya ncha so bebre prophet patafo samra mekasai odifo asase ni so sia no abeka yensa o studio askwa prophet patafo emo akwaba
ejo pengese
prophet bibia boko na o ya branch ya pa o branch su no wo mo prophet patafo na fast you kura no ahihye sei ai prophet o we die kuta o o we die ade de oboa o as wa ya me no we die na afa tie me de dani die ya atwea na atwe o this all trade secret no prophet patafo am akwa ba biem prophet na ya nshade nche so programs na doso na last week o be kan bibi kakra fa Jona ho and come short sharp ajonkwa ne de besi super ko foku boni tinko sa o si yes your bible so edu ba bia na age yesem prophet patafo me de meta how be man how Mose yanya Mose adifo ne na me jada no pa Mose because na ni so ahye no bosho Mose so yase wa charge nkwa no honkom prophet patafo fe ewura Mose de yenim na wa agi wo o fesi ano wa na ye betwe wa ye o sei yanya o sei yenye yi edi prophet patafo ada o ma jemre na ye fe ko Mose de yenim
okay me de nipa bebra ase me tire obi bia o hwe me
etio
asase na no nyina me tire obi bia I believe so bia ho ye kakra kregu ye 40 days so I believe say in the name of the Lord you be true obi aso nyina dance insuro dance nyamma ya ka wakoma to ye
adanse and ye me will be count ye be program now. Me will be papa. Adanse no. Enye easy.
You so nyame gusua de say kan nyame ma. And when you din the mo when you din on Bible na believe say Christo need the why empire akwanchine and affordable. That's the three things I nyame di je. Nyame shiro bibia. Well, back to the story of Moses and how Moses predicted the outcoming or the coming of the Messiah. You know, in the story of Moses, and I believe, I always tell people, before you understand the scriptures, we hear so young couple endow with faculties and powers you're more enlarged and receptive. A bit more understanding divine mysteries. Now, Moses, you're sharing in his story lies now. You could see clearly say Moses' story, a prophetic parallel, and pointed to how the Messiah will save the world. Now, firstly, no shape Moses said Moses will be an Hebrew name, and due to circumstances until Moses could pay free Egypt. The time I woo Moses, or share a bass as say Pharaoh who said no. When you're competitive, you are assassin, so I know a bit too.
As an Okutan
all the black magicians, intergalactic black magicians, and at that time, the sorcerers, they predicted, said, no, a brand team Hebrew nearby Muabiaba, what be two Pharaoh, Bugu Akoya. Tema Pharaoh, Shem Rase, Uncle Cantrum, said, and Mofrebia ya woman, as at that time, Nina, Yunkumana, Yentum to a pum. Na man ba sa na Moses de na o ma me de to basket mu ne ko to ensuo no so na Pharaoh baba ko dware no ko hu Moses no fan de ye de ne bai ampa Moses benyini onyini ye na Hebrew ni ani Egyptian ni ba akoko ana on say moja di moja ohwa on hwe ntimi hwe ma Egyptian no emu Hebrew no ana bua emu mu kun Egyptian no
Kum Mizrim ni no mo burying in the process no I think say obi ehun wo mo and ko alarm here say Moses kum nipa say I burying him secretly. And what happened next is they were demanding for the life of Moses, and Moses had no option. Would journey free Mizrim to walk on ko shia media ni sofu panyinia hu ne baba na ukurenwan a odo makwalidi no di omachi in the process na ye bule abayo na okọ so okọje no to oje no no di abayo na chi call medians of panyini no ti medians of panyini na ji Moses atiti na anode ne baba man worry to mo di nwan ne call adidie no one day the hu yan say jabi da ho a eshi o pinche jano no ko heye o di na ni kokko heye jano se na ye urade nyankopon ne urade ka kire ne se Moses mradu se me bosha me shedi ma Mizrim me ma ne bam to sma Moses se onko no nko yi Mizrim enko yi Israel for free Mizrim for ye dey ensem ampa ye to emu akobo medians of payini amane ma onso kire se ne kure honhom na akohia na nyankopon ampa o kire no kosi unua Aaron ni Miriam so no mko Pharaoh nim ni nyina mu Pharaoh beti atua but God being so good obeti asem allow him so mnyede omunko omun nanti from 40 years barefooted ansa no makomo bo shayade asase so. Now, when you look at this biblical event that took place during the time of Moses now, you could see clearly a typology and it's a prophetic parallel. Say you go deeply. It corresponds to the birth and it foreshadows and it foretells how the Messiah came to the world and how he will save the world. Now, Yeshua Bibi, say, we share Jonah. Now, we share about who didn't kind Daniel Moa. You see, in all the life of this prophet, you could see clearly said the Messiah played a significant role or Mabrabum. Now, the story of the Messiah was scripted. It say you could trust in now you trust script at the amount. Yes, we now be acting this part. What you say? And all the actions and events that taking place, actions it comes directly out of the story of the Messiah.
so dem ka watimas here what you say enti ye hwe Moses nsam ye ni de happy Moses and say no ko Moses asas so a nye the Bible to ho a sa story kakra ya man narrative ya no ye nya Yesu Kristo efiri mu a eye typology a eye prophetic parallel what you say na moreover no so Paul babe confirming say story na see and also medical can say all the biblical events that happen in the Old Testament ni na no God shared that and orchestrate here so the beka ye agenkwa ni mani ye ho ayede akire wiase enti Paul so ba be see so say ye Moses life na see ye no nyankopon head da mani see ye say be nya hweso de say na Messiah be fa so ayede ba wiase what you say unse Moses di epokoko pipe kokom di Misrim for ni yede sorry Israel for no FM odija ai free appreciative ni anafo ye chinhia from ye jakoko na yede pipe no yeah ni nyina sa ne ma na esisi ye nyina wo one significant note bi a e meaning what you say and here shade all say Moses was taken to Egypt right if you say no one Egyptian but here lies the case no ye Hebrew ni but they were taken into captivity and you call no hefa Misrim. Now the same thing also implies okay see a far Yesu Kristo e didn't call Misrim. Come on no more poor my akunu e didn't call hefa Misrim and you sie no sane be ya aye Herod enya ne nyede enkuno. Now Israelites in captivity and ask God for a savior. Satam na Israel for no na omo onko asum omo sire nyame se omo obi meyi won Efrim kwasu sana na yensu so no na Israel for no na omo nhye da ni say Egyptian nsem just like that but na ye fa Egyptian no as a wiase a onipa etim kwasu no wo so hwehwe nkwade sana onya Nyankopon soma Moses sana Nyankopon so soma eye Jesus tam onipa hwehwe nkwade no onipa hwehwe nipa nyame akira kono hunu osoma Yesu Kristo the same thing. So Moses was the savior. That is what I say. I've made you the God of this earth. Catch the Moses. Sana Yesu Christo susi assassin su nyame. So what you say? Now, secondly, after saving them, they journey through to the promised land. Who said after say Moses go Israel for free Misrim no. Omunante edu omani kire de boshe de assassin. Sana Yesu Kristo so wogini dia wayiwa firi wiase nkoaso no na wayiwa wie no wo so ube jani akobo asase so Moses do am ko na bo asase so sana Yesu Kristo so tuye de yakobo asase e friend say New Jerusalem
za kontu na ne nam so oi prophet Opatafo
what you say
o call the biba
o die be wuro be secret no when Moses was born all new born babies were killed only Moses survived you shall the Exodus chapter 1 verse 15 to 22 now obisu Matthew 2:16
kovi momianko
we be Exodus no chapter 1 verse 15 to 22 but your try some kasa kwana wakai now when Jesus so ye wo no ono so male born children na yekumu omo Yesu pe ne kai outside there two Moses the Sidia na ede atom okay you hear Moses there no Exodus chapter 1 verse 15 to 22
dunum no me ba cho say na Misrim hene e ka kire Hebrew for awogefo a wo mu ba ko din di Sifra
okay
na obako so edin di pua no say
okay
se mukoje Hebrew for ema awo
se mukoje Hebrew for mama na wo
na awoye ho muhunu se oye oberema
a sa awoye no muhu se Hebrew for na wo babema
munku no
munya de ya
munku no
okay
na se oye obade a
so oye obade a
mo man maintenance
mo man ye dey
mo man maintenance
na which means on the see ti yekum Moses time no yekum sa mema ni nyina na ya de kire se Messiah ne ba be yi wiase sumu a ono so ye bekum mema ni nyina Matthew chapter 2 verse 16 ye hwade
2 verse 16 no say
okay
na Herod hunu se anyansafo na agro ne ho no
okay
ne bufu pi na osmama wo kokunkum mofra a wo Bethlehem ene na hye so a wadi mfie mienu ene won a wonya eniye ni nyina
Also when man you come Jesus do the same thing. What you say? Now they drank Tamana Moses yedine kono. Yedine nam kwamu kono. Now they drank from the rock of water. Muturu baby ne su koma do mo Awurade ka kire Moses say be Numbers chapter 20 verse 8 to 12. Now back so emie 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 4. Now Awurade ka kire Moses say amfa poma no enkyere botan no so no kasa enkyere botan. Na botan no be ma nsu aba. Na Moses ye mistake di bo mu Awurade bu fu no ka kire say wadome no o ma nanu be hu Kenya so ne nansi woda.
Mistake no
I didn't hear no de born if you say Bible says how born na nsuo ni free mu ba no ono ne Messiah no. No ya agenkwa no. Ti Moses eku agenkwa no ba wa hu se sai no ye wono a. Gira ka say Moses no onye sia. Se no ye sia de an ko be ko hu se we ya.
We say Jano kura o se ko abisa.
O se Jano ko abisa. Wa hu hwe if you say no ono nim hwe.
So on the na so na no on it.
On this will appear flesh on one thing. On tissues was a hu bibia.
No this awful.
So I a prophet.
Like bibi anyway, o dey. Any na ya pe.
Say no to Moses. Say nyame
prophet or pataf.
Yeah, Moses say nyame answer physical.
Oh hu hwe.
Oh hu hwe on da hu anu.
Oi.
No near ni spiritual. Anu antenne. Moses problem anu owo pa no. Nti bibia agi se nyame ni
se nyame pie fira.
Yes, yiram.
Oh, okay. Nti no ade dua poma no ko bo ade no
panyan out of frustration.
Pensuo no bebrebe.
No dia wa tell dia. Remember what be?
Numere eti aduonu. Yimu dumienu. Na Awurade ka kire Mose ni Aaron say.
Okay.
Se mo anye me anie. Na mo anya me kronkron Israel ni munti. Mo remfa oman asafo yi enu asase amede mama wo no so. Dumiensa.
What can do me no we on? What you say? E di enti afi say. So kind verse 20 verse 1 down to 8 now. Obekire say. Nesu kom si radical so on fa poma no. Enkyere botan. Kai verse 5 man.
Enum o say. Na adenti na muyi yen Misrim say mo de yen eba de enyeyi.
Na God says
Isia na Mose ni Aaron fria asafo no anim eba ahia ntomadan na no na wode wonanim butubutu fam na Awurade no monyam eyi no ho kire wo.
Okay, kai 7.
Enso na Awurade kasa che Mose say fa poma no abua asafo no ano woni wunia Aaron na monkasa enkire obotan no
wonanim. Wose kasa kire obotan no.
Yes sir. Kasa keke.
Na bi se ewiase ne nyawo de ewiase ne ya agenkwa ne de ya Messiah ne de ya. Ntu kwa akosere no owura ahuyemo boys kom de na mu ebinum. Ukọ ya so de aba na ko bon. Me wa abotan no so ni Messiah. Tu aso
na emma ni nsuo. Na yi obotan no mu nsuo ma won na asafo ne won emwa enom.
What you say? Yeah, share 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 4. Hwede esi ye, hwede Yesu so eka.
1 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 4. But I say, na won nyina nom honhom fam ano ne no kro. Na wonum efri honhom fam botan a na edi won akire no mu. Na obotan no ani Kristo.
That's a confirm botan.
What you say? Inti botan na edi o machi. The living stone. Botobo obo abantofo na ye da ato atwene no. Ono ni Kristo no. Ti o se honhom fam ensuo na esiwo no. Botan ensuo timi gina botan ma ne yi. Na ede na utimi ensuo timi pie firi botan no. Ono no Messiah no.
Na agenkwa no.
Agenkwa no abokwa to de kwa ni ntini wo se sa botan na ne no wan.
Ani Kristo.
Prophet or patafo.
Enti Moses ni problem nyina ya baako. Ohu ade sentina ya sofo a. Nyame tura begina utimi
ade mistakes bebre.
Oh nyame begina din se hu atim bona so.
Bon se nyame honhom no wani
wafu abo bon kura ma ne ko.
Enti anu nko anti no ne nansi clean.
Nko anti nyame kese.
Nyame su nim so ohu ade.
Na ohu ade ai obedience yesi ko kasa kire na ne ko kasa. Usuduri ade bo na hwe na so.
Ejano nso ne nanti edi o prophet or patafo.
Tani tira me mo akwankire ne wanti o sa fra mi a kokokoko.
Ya munya abotre maye o.
Abi o.
Ya beto.
Prophetic no nya sutia ntimi ndi akire o. we are best sales here. We are best. I will prophetic in the best sales here. Prophet for no money says the problem Moses ninya minya no.
So dia pomanko bom ba.
No okesi omunyina anti no kumwera okumera. Moses
no man de obo.
Samuel Makanto osoro.
Aya de anto aso. Yanto aso.
What you say? It won't say bibia ne no pepepe. Na yanhwa de apostle be kan ye. Eya de bi am fact. Yanhwa Moses baptize the only prophet of born Israel for na su odi oja. Eni nsuo ebo masu. Eya won konkro eni eja ebo Israel for na su. If you do mo fa apunim sansuo no do mo fa mu ne yesu bo.
Sa.
Yes.
Apuna opa mo
do mo fa mu no obo mu nyina su once.
Na su bo ne eye
no. Eja no na be ka bo mu pai buta nsuo nim. Now obo fa nsuo mti obo fa nsuo mu nyina no. Na ye kai wo mu. Tamu amu Mizrimfo no epem asem no hwa na je mu.
So Moses.
Nya Moses
ajenkwa no.
Tie be 1 Corinthians 10:4 no. Ne tie ho yie.
Kofi bie ye.
Tie ho yie pa, tie ho nsem ni yie.
Kofi fabra ne hwe na the prophet handi mu ye nyanya ni ye.
Tie ni yie, tie ho ni yie.
Kofi ye hwe.
1 Corinthians. Eti ayedu. Yimu
enan wo de tie ha ni yie
na won nyina no honhom fam ano ne yekro.
Yo nyina no ensuo baako.
Na wonu mfiri honhom fam botan a na edi won akire no.
What yes na botan bi di hwan ya.
Edi won akire.
Omo achi. Sa botan na yes a pillar of cloud de jane di omo achi no.
Na sa obotan no ani Kristo.
Good. Enti Kristo na yi omo edi omo free ho.
Edi mu adin.
Emo nya de.
Meto wasi oba me hwe ensuo na.
Ma me nkyere wade. Enti so papa ewuo. Na obekọ ba bia so papa sama adi wachi. What yes na o kwa kopa adwuma uduru wa na director no omfa wa adwuma wa yo man ja no atoka favor sa favor no was created by the spirit e udu wachi.
Okay.
What you say nya wo effect. What you say Moses there just a leader but they no di o machi no
anya ajenkwa no
ono say repeat ni biem
o say na won nyina no honhom fam ano ne ekro na wonu mfiri honhom fam botan a na edi won akire ni
botan bi ne chesa botan bi a edi o machi na bo mo ban me boa enti Moses no ankasa mpo in particular no da Jesus
on kronim so
yes oni pa na Moses nim say jabi a etesa botan di o machi if se tama na Mizrimfo ne tato wo no say jan ne be si wo ni wo mienu ntam a o man timi anto wo anadumu ni nyina kopim so mu tap kokko no. What you say? Nti enye say yade a nkanyankopon anka onfa ensuyiri ni nsam Mizrimfo no but the reason is say mu yentimi mama sufisa mu nyame ndi say faro ji nyame tumu nokoro mu anka mbefa nsuo ni ba mu nyi wo mu ndi yentimi mama su
na say wonyi ajenkwa ni
ya ede ne abo asu ede ne abo
asu
ye bo asu enyi
prophet of patafo.
What you say enti ye hwe wan so ne amani tumi se wotimi di ensuo ni ja ebo asu ji Messiah ne pe obi ni tumi wasase we su oti eja ni nsuo bo asu
na mo mbo asu asofo na bo asu no mako na de eja ene onkonkuru bo asu omo aka no mdu benu nsuo na boso matena omu ne janso ya de bo asu
anu ne onkonkuru tumi no
okay
say two options ensuo na amukọ bo asu omu bu kai hunu say wuduru ho na hunhun bi yeden eti edu
bi ya de hunhun
good eti ye kwaya sa ritual na ma no say nyame hunhun ma ho na beba
bonsam
okay enti obi obo asu no nya onkonkuru bi ya ho na tinimu
bonsam na
good
oh okay
eti bi Matthew chapter 3 verse 11
that's the honkonkron so bo asu
na me say metimi ade onkonkuru abo mu ya tan ko metimi abo mu nyama so mu nyama nya powers
oh okay
we are 1000 me mfa me san mu nyina no ade ameka mu nyina besi si mu nyina so wa no anu aye powerful
prophet of patafo
na say me no enu nti na me
go via
Matthew 3 verse 11
etimi en say imudu ba
ti hani yo say ha
me de
tio John the Baptist we di for wa bosu no anu de
me bomu asu ewo
ensuo mu na John the Baptist bo ensuo
akwa agin sakyerem
edu kwa agin sakyerem
na die odi machire eba no die
di odi wonu John the Baptist achi ba ne die
ne ho den se ne me
oye far powerful than John the Baptist
na ne mpaboa mpo
onipa na wo ba ne mpaboa mpo
me nsese me ko
onu John the Baptist nchen ensem fatase wo hwe odi ne sampo som
na ono na obebo mu asu ewo ho konkron ni ojam
ho konkron ni die ya
ojam
onu ni Yesu
on your kind John the Baptist your kind pa
what you say enti onipa wo de honhom bo asu eni eja no eye Moses say jani na fap ni enti hono mo bo mo asu
I see when the anya wa ye de hu ne sa ba wa fa efe matiwase
what you say
prophet opata for no oi enti ewura mo
omu nyina enti wo hwa be 1 Corinthians chapter 10 wa bi
bajai
kan verse 1 to 11 na ha na ye ntie ni ye
o say anuanom wey me mpese me di sie mu se
ye mpese ye di be sie mu se
ye ajanum nyina hye mununkum no ase
ye ajanum Moses mu nyinara omu hye mununkum na ase sa mununkum na na di o machi omu sase oni mununkum ne hwan Kristo no
na won nyina fa apunu mu
omu nyina fa ade ya
apunu mu
tie o omu nyina fa apunu mu
tie hai na wo bo won nyina asu ato Moses so
ote fe what you say nti apuna omu fa mu no na Nyankopon ye den obo omu asu
oh okay prophet opata for nsam ni bi wa ma biabia say ye hu
se no ye mpen
ye hu we ndia di wa yesre we ndia ji so shade fia na bia ye fra wa bra na fe be kakra oni ba bia ko prophet opata for sa no mo be say o ba ye nkika sa no the pressure
me last preaching to aso chama ya how say
emko
ase atu Moses so
omu bo asu to Moses nti Moses na ye de ya bo omu asu
ewo mununkum ene epunu mu
ene mununkum ni apunu mununkum ni honkonkunu no epunu ni nsuo no that is a jan pacho to aso
na wo nyina edi honhom fam aduane kro
omu nyina di honhom fam aduane kro
ene nan ne de so se na wo nyina nom honhom fam ano ne ye kro
omu nyina nom honhom fam ano no de ekro
na wonum firi honhom fam botan a na edi wo na kire no
omonum firi honhom fam botan a na edi wo na kinim
na saa botan no eni Kristo
saa botan no ne hwan
Kristo
nti yesen honkomo
ensam ni bi wo ha o kan ni se ne ye hu ani ye o ekuta nya de strane ne nam ho a ye hu ne sa
Proverbs 5
bada for nya
enum no nanso wo mu efa kese no ara anso Nyankopon ani
oche ya mu a yayi wo mu abo masu awie no tutuo na anso nyame ani adentia obehu to aso
na wo dwere won esre so ho
o dwere won esre so nyame kubom tugui ensia
na wo de yeinum aye nhweso amaye
tanya ma na si ye na de aye nhweso de
edi amaye na ye kon anobo ne se de won kon do ye
ye kon anobo ne se de o mu kon do ye no
enso afei munya abosonsomfo
tie ma munya abosonsomfo
se de wo mu binum eyo ye
se de o mu binum ye oye no
se de wa twere se enkrofo no tena ase didi
tie sa mo se mu tam no mo tena ase didi
na wonomwe
na mo noe
na wo sore groi
na mo sore groi
enso mu maye mmo adwaman se de wo mu binum ebo ye no
nti mu maye mmo adwaman ye nkukwa abosomsoni nsuman kwaji nuro se de sa enkrofo no ye no
na wo mu empem aduonu miensa totɔ da
na wo mu 23,000 nyame ku wo mu a day waso
ankron enso mo mayen so awurade nhwe said ye wo mu binum ayo ye no
said wo mu bi yo ye no
na awo egungum wo
yes to waso
edu enso mu nyinyi said ye wo mu binum anyinyi ye na osayefo no ebeseye won
mu bi nyadai enyinyi said wo mu bi ya dai enyinyi also wase tama na wo ni kunkum wo na wo ka kire wo se wo nya dai
ose nso amamo maye nso awurade nhwe Said they won't be no SOA. Na awo akunkum wo.
Pacho to aso.
Edu. Enso mu nyinyi said they won't be no enyinyi ye. Na o say for no e be say wo. Dubako say. Na ye num nyina si ye. Na aye kokobo ama.
Ote. Tie ni ye. O se de ya.
Ye num nyina si ye. Na aye kokobo ama wo. Na wa try no say afutuo ama yen a wiase bre awie ye ato ye.
What you say? Good. Nte yen hwesode anyankopon ma ni si wiase. Ye John chapter 3 verse 14. Sa wo na Moses e man so a wo ka wa no akohwe no Messiah.
Oh, okay.
Yohani etimiensa. Yimudu nan. Pacho say. Na said ye Moses Emma owo no so wo esre so no. Saara na twa say wo ma onipa ba ne so.
Wani onipa ba
Kristo.
Prophet or patafo.
What you say? So this is a typical typology. This is a prophetic parallel.
I don't know nothing they do peno. Okay, can you say that no? The near just yes. Prophet or patafo. Udi ye room.
Oh, it will show Bibia. Unsa pepe. Jim Casso, Yamina head that master is near the Aka Christo Maya Ache. And that's one the confirm say a good time and they do much on any Christo. And which means Christ was there. Jesus was there long time. That one woman and now Moses problem here back up. On one Niaso, when ye also kind John. Matthew 3 verse 11 now. John, you who yes, no who some Messiah, if you know where any. To us me bombers would be Matthew chapter 3 verse 11.
Confirm mommy.
Matthew chapter 3 verse 11.
Because head the food be your no money how no money any problem.
Media.
John said media.
Me bo mo asu awo ensuo mu.
Me bomo su wo nsuo mu.
Ekwa agensa kire.
E de kwa agensa kire.
Na de odi machiri ba no de.
De odi machiri ba ne de.
Ne ho odi ne sene.
Ne ho eso owo powers chen me.
Na de mpaboa mpo.
Ono ne mpaboa mpo.
Me nsese mekura. Na ono ana obebo mo asu awo hon konkro ni ogem.
Ono na bebo mo de ya.
Asu.
On say John the Baptist gave the clear identity of Jesus. Say no near. Good. Say no near. And then who say where you are so concerning.
Onim no describe on the
Pepe. But one said here no near into who but our shina soon.
And they not on me say John the Baptist. Both say they wash that me you. And the pipe down so keke. Obi
our pipe go.
2 minutes na di na chi na ye ko. Say no dey no ye.
No grandpa. Ti who mu di na chi.
And no ye no bibia. Senior, we leader keke.
Yes.
Who we? Brother,
yeah, I see where we.
Oh yeah, go be our leader. One Rubos assassin is me.
Never cool.
Wow.
What you say? Eti, Sanyo ma we nyina okay. Send you be able to Messiah ni. To be the catch us Messiah be any on that Jesus was created that.
What you do your family there? Omo keka sa no just say omo nim de omo keka. Because watch the what to the Urama, me always says, I didn't quite know or da. Prophet or patafo.
What you say? Or no woman, I'm sorry, where him is room for what you say.
Abraham cry, Tamuko Shia. When you now bet say, when you say, him so sergeant Quana,
Kissa the Kiajan Quana, they used to say,
Yauna about boy and the Urama.
Say, Yankupo, the 7 mystical name. Also medi kakadada nyankopɔ di makomako so aye nwanwaso no saa na yesu onso wo edi makomako 7 yesu ro no yemfre ni yesu
o france
ende me nka nkire
oh what they abide they no apɔ no
ya yemfre ni yesu is an earthly language
say na etwi ye na efre ni yesu
good nja yamumu kasa what you say now ye kasa Melchizedek an say yesu say oti agane nsanifa so na oredi man
sa
so obin tene a ontimi ntene agane nsanifa so enima enu ti say yesu ebonu mu ase ekotena konya so agane nsanifa so yemfra no Messiah biem ye fra no Melchizedek
eno na mle bi uchirem Melchizedek no uchirem
what you say the king of righteousness tini nyina hene tini hene no
eno ne agenkwa
no wana tini chain wana ye righteous chain what you say enti atini fo na wosuro nyina chichiri wo muti am fare bai eni Kristo eni tini wo tie agani nsani fa so wana se fata
so tena ho
so tena fo no ka bi ma eno na ayi Mizrim asofo no Hebrew asofo na antia se nko akwara o tie agani nsani fa so ye betena he
nifa ho hwan ya
what you say enti ni dino we
obabia wodin odeba
wodin but the issue is say we had the name of the Messiah like the Father through his attribute and his works ye nyani din free ni
nyuma na oyenim
enti na ye de bo asenuya so Tam wo ye na o si ni tirase ne e wo di bia nyame de frɛ no yes a hone ye frɛ no patafo
prophet or patafo and then some
o na mo kyerɛ ne sɛ we o ye difo se Hebrewfo e difo no me kyerɛ mo last way no a mo cast wo ye difo yes the tam a on say tam no nam no o ye adwuma no no so wo ye Yudafo hene sa na no o munim no but tam a o mo bɔ na senua mu no no city class no we and a dear ya different and that come papa the friend no say opatafo if we say when you didn't yam patade e didn't ma wiase ti when and opatafo no zaya no ni
e dey say na dey ada ho adi
me maza me nda me ho adi me ka obi asem ha kire
prophet opatafo
how dey adnicity enti wono nti no say inshrane opatafo on ye be frɛ no Nyankopɔn ba Matthew chapter 5 verse 9 bi onam kire wa
Kofi yanhwe emfa mum twam
Matthew chapter 5 verse 9 o si insira ne opatafo na won ana wo befra wo Nyankopɔn ma
dientia if say one ne de na ye wiase mpatade man ye friend asundue hene Jesus pe blessed are the peacemaker. What you say? And he was having 7 mystical name back. Couldn't Melchizedek, no. Sam Melchizedek. I said the king of righteousness. Good. And this will be the Janin Sunny Faso, the Anne self attack. So what now? Until no, at the Trintina say. So Umpire no Yamintia. Yes, to me catch the papa and say for ants and man.
Was catch the papa and say for
man, find more man.
They say, I'll be with mamma. So
I interested in Tino Cemetery and I want it. So I cemetery Janin Sandy Faso, dear mamma. Let me, dear mamma.
Say, Papa, you to me, Bosh, baby.
Oh, you can and your media. This old name now crying. Wait me up Umpire and I'm fun to baby.
Oh,
yes.
This are
Jenquano bem.
Yes,
what you say? And this are a dim for I can say 7 and Yankupon will be. Messiah no yes, you know, I'm a friend on so be. Na yenya said Yankupon, dear free in Numamuno. Sa yenya yes, so free in Numam. If you say, I didn't patadia to a pataf one or no Messiah. If you say, Tam was seen it last walk cross, no, I say, soon do Riasi. And Tiviasi or Pataf one Yakuno. I know Yakuno to say, soon do Riasi. What does it? Aha. And Moses actually Bibia or Cabibia or Bible. Actually, no Nimuna, no Nimuna. And that's why I just own Messiah and Swasam and the Aminu debate. Baba catch him say Messiah ni ho a.
Say onim de
o because Bible no read actually animu actually several times. Me nim de o Bible nim bibia me nim.
Prophet opatafo. Abusa for Kumasi online TV na mani gusu amohwe. Sanso na mo amohwe Zenith TV. Ya na wo se won fidie na da. Kumasi online Zenith de ma kai chro da ukoni number bi na Kristoni a wo fasting mu udio di mampaye kwani na baby ni obi do akoma kodi aguna da bia metrase ameka nti heya ne yentena ne yenkyira kyiro nyame akwan no se ne ensam ni sitie prophet opatafo and some no doors and then send a medical more yanty and shed denche because you will be some programs and the doors.
Okay.
Na deɛ aba baako epesi ebisa wo ye saa occultic kingdoms ku a aba wiase wo atiti Mose mu na minim se na enu bi ni ho ye nam na ye de na ekunyenyo wo se Lucifer no ma de wakeka bebele ba se si aye pensu occultic kingdoms occultic no ma na wiase wo mo di hwima Christopher ma se bi di bi gu enkwaso mu ni no ma bebre eno prophet opatafo jemre na he occultic kingdoms no ewo ho dada anaye pensu ya na aba na omudi dia Christopher nya echiechia ya akwai prophet opatafo ewiase ne say na city pa efa prophet occultic kingdoms no sad say na city wo de ya bibise ba wo na eso wo judge fro na o chire mu say no makwan city e de has asisufo me prophet hwemaye kakra na ye nhede
me chire ni ba bi o hwe me I believe so. You see, the issues with this fraternity biano are now occultic and now cults. Let me use it in this way. Cults biano. And you're powered by a principality. What you say? See, because the secret society be near. So secret society, I would to me dear a power a moment yede.
Shasi. Tete now ho.
E wo that from the first century.
Illuminati one
Illuminati for no kun Yesu.
Hey, sa. Na nya mo na mo si Jew ayi asofo afalasifu.
Na we free say asofo na bi do an secret society.
Esi Yesu pensu ina na omo ko hye Illuminati na omo de be nya mduma.
No na me kire no. Me na metimi a kire obi ani ho.
Prophet opatafo ye tie.
Sofo obi ro nyame aka kire no.
Ajenkwa ne ba Illuminati fo na ya asofo.
Omo le kun. Obi si akọ ni onim de o.
O de mi tie o.
Me na metimi a kire.
Yan kasa ye tie o. Ye tie o.
Enti sa secret societies ni nyina no. Omo ye powered by certain principalities. Omo very powerful.
Se kuo na o matete nyina to media chi.
To media chi o muti hye na ne kuo ne ye che ne sen. Enam say o muti ehye kuo na senti no, you pursue the agenda of that principality. And that principality is definitely pursuing the agenda of Lucifer.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's a principality ni free Lucifer mu.
Right. Soon be o wiase bi adidi na gina ye. E ko Lucifer, but ebi mu ye powerful sin Lucifer. Yes. Also Lucifer no is a kingdom. Now okay, ma memfa ye na memfa ye a te se Asante akunya. Wo se eya hemfu bebrebe. Eno mu nyina ti akabom.
Kwahyemanhia.
E dia kwahyemanhia, antikemefo se manhia ye Lucifer no. What you say? Now, if some of these Asante stories very carefully, you could see say some of the Asante in Konyalibu are powerful. Compare say what they call it? Confanoti do munyina be share. Menshias. What you say? Some of the Akonyalibu were powerful than Menshia. What you say?
Konyalibu esusu simbi.
What? Good. Now here lies the case. Sanda Lucifer. Some of the principalities ni bi ha omo ye powerful.
Omo di omo hini
but omo nyina obi no onim nyansa che Lucifer. Lucifer is very smart, very intelligent. And ono na form kuo oni Lucifer oni Satan akabom. What does no oni serpent na akabom 3. And these people are very powerful, very intelligent, very smart, very powerful. And omo akabom and the other principalities na mo ho no no.
Nyina omo de mo hini
akabom. Mudi ha akobo and ma yi Lucifer na mo hye nase. But e be a fate. Esin Lucifer.
Yes, leader na nkasa na bi ho adense.
Good.
Okay.
But just say they are responding to authority. And them mrani ahede. So they make matmas here. San na yede etie. Enti fraternities there you bebrebe o wiase so many fraternities.
Amun free nyame.
Na the fraternity be the free nyame. Fraternity be free nyame. It's just every fraternity or secret society and any cult beyond have this principality working behind. But yes, now to me can say, me to way. Be a Christian. You see me at Mama Hine.
Jesus.
Good. Tell me adwuma Jesus ah. Met me aye adwuma Abraham pursue Jesus agenda. It is obi someone to obi pursue one agenda.
Lucifer agenda.
Good. Through one and what you say? It's your war. Fraternities bebrebe. But the one that I believe say all must watch and now say will be adu many eto form. No mo show mo the one na Bible atom ho asem.
Illuminati Bible come.
Illuminati or Bible.
Ah.
Yes.
Illuminati for.
Yes.
Last time Freemason for na abeke ka di potata draw you know. Illuminati the one.
Freemason or Bible. Illuminati or Bible. Luciferian or Bible and bones and skull and I can see new world order for.
Prophet or pattern for. Omu nyina won sam otwere.
Sa omu na wo say mo hwe wo mu. But other you will be Ku Klux Klan and the lawyer the ben the bebe.
Baye no omo hye.
Baye ni the you baye the first omu count the first fraternities. What yes? Also what me you free. Fancy me who ha me say akono. Obi a okọ school ha no asako school ha. No asako school ha.
Wie no akoto aso obe.
Sa na obeyete. Obeye the wo first grade. To make me akosha other fraternity.
We still kuta obeye no.
Na we send there no ma. Send ya bonsam enkrofo mu nyina.
Muni na mu na mokosa.
What you say? Enti sa fraternities na Bible keka omo ho nsem. Omo na wo se ye de ani say.
Ehu.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Na ye hwe omo ye ni wana kwan. Ni kwan omo fa so ye omo nioma. Anyhow omo di wiase eko because Bible kasa fa kwan ya sa secret society for di wiase meko.
Prophet.
What you say? And every secret society be aswa omo tie bia. The issue with it is say they created one significant act and a gamer. It did notice her. You can't say fraternity no. The anytime be as a game no baba su bia no. And as how the be pop up bia no say wait. Any a patchere.
Yes sir. Kuo ni bia omo tie bia omo wo bibik sonku bia
omo ye.
E show say we there.
Yes.
We kingdom we ayi ni.
Yeah.
It's you.
What you say? Good. Now, you're sure there. The first fraternity no, is Luciferian. And I say Satanist.
Human say.
First century, they were there. Omu started Babylon. Babylonians and they be Iraq.
Hona no maso ye.
Yes. Omu shasie da. Omu na konvo malam ogun se de akwa hwehwem banwem. Omu nyina free Luciferian obaifo otifie ye nipa. Omu nipa ho nto no. Omu ensam ensumansam ya confessam. Omu nyina ye Luciferian and Satanist. Omu pursue the agenda of Lucifer through the lesser ones. What you say? Omu time ena ye frɛ Nebuchadnezzar so tell story a nyame man ko danwura
Daniel aboa no come
omu nyina ye Luciferians etiyanhwɛ uhwa according to Daniel chapter 7 verse 4 na me kyerɛ kyerɛ ade bi
ofiyan ko hwemra
satam no Daniel asesa ekuo ni nyina ho nkom de ato ho yes come be faso a ombedi wi aseso ase wi ase
Christopher
yes
Daniel Tinson Yimunan.
How say?
The odi kan no to say jata.
The odi kan to say jata spirit na. Obu high you see all these are principalities they hide behind scenes to empower government and systems. So what you say? Omu ya honhom a omu free ebi se ebi ewie matumfo asase matumfo wiedie no say yetumi nkabere chechire tumi omu hihye esumu etata amamuo any politicians echi amu ruli ewiase nti enu na Daniel ka say to asudo di kan
ti say jata
nti the first Satanists na me kire so omu Luciferians they pursue the agenda they have a belief in Lucifer say no obi wo gidie wo obusumu na ti say no gi Lucifer di they worship Lucifer in Satan to aso
na owo okode ntaban
owo nkode ntaban to aso
me hwe ara kosi se wotu ne ntaban no
o hwa kosi se otu ne ntaban
na wo ma no so efri fam
o ma no so efri fam
na wo ma no gina enan mienu
o ma no gina enan mienu so
se onipa na wo ma no onipa akoma
o ma no onipa akoma
enum
to aso how do you kan you can say o say Daniel Commission jata owo kode ntaban
sa wo nan gina so
omu ma no omu bu ntaban wi no ma ne nan gina so se nipa nan mienu gina se nipa ene o wie ya no omu ma no ye kan say onipa akoma
so omu person mu ye ni se nipa boa bi sa no
good now do eye because a idiomatic expression and a proverbial statement, it needs to be interpreted as a mystery.
This is what
you say. Now, answer was some starting first century. No, makuma day. Before somebody because I want to mean the Nakuma Tina Nebuchadnezzar class will be near Sassis to tell. If you know Ukraine Pakuma, no crab wajatakuma and Akuma day. Ditanya nyankopɔ ma ne kɔtena wura mu no obubu na taba egu na konya to ba no obɛma no onipa nyina so afi obe resist nipa if you say onipa de oto atena se ne kai hunu sɛ tumi bi so kyɛn ɛwɔ hɔ bibi na bɔ hɔ afɔ mbɛma ne nipa akoma afɛ nipa akoma no o ka asema etime dwene nti afɔ ɔmo start yɛ sɛ ɔmo awie ni source ni bi di amade a ɛdi amanyame etina akonfuo bebre timi ye dey esachira omu ekura tumi di abandom kan white witches any can say black magicians white magicians wizards and witches who say bebre timi asachira bi kwa be di asofo ya be nyame ma
bi afa Kristo
yes because of that prophecy no who say the world will pass through series we as be cross our drum pempens 19 enti first aboa onu no mo kana ase onu ne Nebuchadnezzar omo na empower mo hide behind scenes empower Nebuchadnezzar any santa bamyoni okodo they are very swift this okodo be are swift the swiftness of them also obi akonfo a na kuma den that's something no it omo nyina for under sa category sa Babylonian time no and Nebuchadnezzar sorry yen tatam no mu dihene ene nyame dwiri wo mutubu ye and about the second fraternity had the missing every missing yes yes it missing so no mo ba within the 17th century yes 1717 the year 1717 no me establish your lodge first one land the UK
no munti free
yes
munchi pa UK
yes
prophet opatafo the samobo
yeah enti omususu na ye na omusu principality na o power omo ona na ye Medo-Persia na ye fro ho Iran ona na di Iran so yeruna ya na anu ya masachira ayi atete o president
for no to me no na no
yes how to me dia na yes adentia
only din the same
Medo-Persia omo na ye Persian
Bapoma okay
omo na King Gabriel no
wiemu ho no
yes so just imagine
Mercy for no ho no omo juom to
yes very powerful
wiemu atumfo
omo na control systems they hide behind scenes omo na yes omo control government systems banks hospitals hospitals is being controlled by masons and omo free the stone masons sana Solomon a part of Freemason yeah King Solomon yes
Abraham ba Solomon
David
ba Solomon
yes
Abraham ba
he was part of them
kofoku enye ize David ba Solomon
he was
Freemason
part of Freemason
ntino nya ska cham no
ndi wo so ma ko ye bia na
nkasa I am a coffee be
joining Freemason doesn't guarantee you success that is the truth
joining there can be
Freemason doesn't guarantee you success I've seen a Freemason who's suffering
But I have percentage, no. No do na di ba nya o de you prophet.
They make what you say. Enti
omo two for na town.
Yes, it is that time no. Omo the that time. Na omo na sa spirit na o control the message no. Omo time na sa Medo-Persian time no. Gregory Munis microphone. All these people were part of the message, and the Bible declares them. I'm gonna switch in Satan. Kind of saying, Gregorian's time now. I'm gonna switch in Bible. I'm gonna say signs. Yes, and King James. Yes, King James was part of the message.
Oh, Prophet Patafo.
Oh, and I'm gonna declare Isaiah 44 verse 13. Isaiah 44 verse 13. Isaiah 44 verse 13. No, be sumie Daniel chapter 7 verse 5. Isaiah 44 verse 13.
13 no, I say. Do me answer. But I say. Dia dumfo yere humamu.
Dia dumfo yere humamu.
Or the pencils in sound.
Or the pencils in sound.
Or the agina ye.
Or the agina ye.
Now or the compass in sound.
Or the compass in sound.
No, oyeno oberiman seso.
Oyeno oberiman seso.
Onipa ho ofeso.
Obipa we sweet.
Say entina edaimu.
Say entina daimu. Kind verse 17.
Do so. Na enkaye no. Or the onyame. Any ohoni. Okoto no sore no bo no mpaye.
Good.
Now or say Jimmy.
Minyamino. So they created this white Jesus. Match
Mason for no money bino.
What you say? And they developed a game that is graft. Damn it. Yes, I'll say damn it, square. Yeah, one day me do amu color the carpet with
a bad ibiana.
And you bad way, it's a game developed as out nasia. Or so tiasia.
Say bia junimo. Be say damn or two be
good. That is why they are intelligent and very smart. They are great thinkers. You can't deceive them. Why? Because of the spirit behind. But what you say? And Omuno and Daniel say come Daniel chapter 7 verse 5. And you Medo-Persian that time.
Could you heard Daniel?
About to
Daniel chapter 7 verse 5.
Daniel, it is so yimunum. Or say, na share. Aboafufro a otosumienu te sesisire.
Aboafufro otosumienu te sesisire. Sa aboa no na ye principality no. Mayure free on the principality no. To aso ha.
Na ogina ho eko ofan baako so.
Ogina ho eko efa baako so.
Na empade miensa ehye nanum.
Empade miensa hye nanum.
Ene ne sentem.
Na
woka kire no se.
Woka kire nse.
Sorry. Edi nam bebre.
Na di nam bebre.
Esia
Chwaso. Sorry, they did kill.
Okay. So mom kumpa
and now you sacrifice. Fraternity ben now you sacrifice. What you say? Good. And you know I'm so more. And to almost 1717, almost 1776, first May in Illuminati for what year?
Illuminati by time,
1776, but Marion Free said, no spirit no harder that.
Illuminati for spirit.
No harder that. Illuminati for the Kunyans may prove natural.
Say a conica cracker, say ya.
It is 1717, and Illuminati no spirit no be officially launched. Our Germany.
Almost woman chiwa.
Germany for the Illuminati. Yes. Nipa no ade buy I can't say Adams Weishaupt. Or the Illuminati buy no. First May 1776. Or now a professor of law. On that spirit in the farmers who buy. Until I see the headquarters of Illuminati is Germany. Yes, into crowd of yes, one. Oh, the German for they forget them. Celebrate saa de omudi ni oma akatakato oma ni no onima is Lucifer no omu na edi
omu na kofa saa fashion buy
nto omu na celebrate eti saa omu no omu start with German Bavarian the Illuminati how no omu start here eti the Illuminati spirit no saa principality no on the hiding behind scenes empower Alexander the Great Satam Grecian time. Kum nipa bebrebe supremacy. Omna ko join wo a fame, prosperity and riches. I know na Beyonce mu ye part, Jay-Z part, one part.
Prophet of Patafo.
In part be Daniel chapter 7. Daniel chapter 7 verse 6 kan hono.
Ensiano say.
Aha.
Ye echi.
Wiyechi
me hweyara
Freemason fo achi no
me hweyara
so hweya
na hwe aboa foforo a otise osebo
aboa foforo otise osebo do hard man to aso
na chi owo anumanta by 9
owo anumanta by 9
na aboa no wo etiri 9
aboa no sa wo eti nko afọ
na o ma no tumi
o ma sa aboa no tumi what can I say no
e ba jai
no to omo no na ya hwade bi na me nkire wade Matthew chapter 4 verse 8 to 11 bi ho na me nkire wade now also Illuminati the worship of Baphomet so Baphomet na do be kire on
the last time o kire
it is so President Biara or you part of secret society no okoduru domu a this what you say yeah o you say the kire
swag no
yes obeye say the achia ministers ni MPs bebre ya amuma ani enko mo ba mu ye campaign duru domu a aya mu ofie bi say sa Illuminati fo no am lifestyle say so mo frau say be join won me wan join won makum
mo frau no wa ma
o makum tamu ebi na mo de frɛ laki bi be o mpu no what you say enti enu ntina tamu a amofra Satan ekoyi ne ho adi e de kire Jesus say bra na be kotume sum na just come and bow to me as Baphomet be sum me no Satan se wanya dai
Jesus
sorry Jesus wanya dai onye tunu o ma eku no
sa mum na tie
odi e how be hu se e ko be hu
Matthew
4 verse 8 to 11 o say ato aso
na obonsam fa no bio ekobe potenti
bonsam sa de ne kobe po so koka kire nse ha
na oka kire no se
oka kire Yesu se
o kire no wiase ahenni nyina
o kire no wiase de ya
ahenni nyina
e ba cho Illuminati de bia omu ye advert ya omu de de na kire wiase omu se so be join wo mu a wiase ahenni meboa ubenya sika ubenya fame meboa ubejidin ana meboa no I so powerful in the system it was children is how we know atoaso
animu animonyam
wiase animonyam benya sika to say like how Beyonce mu part Jay-Z mu part Barack Obama part sankofo ni na ma joining
na osi Yesu say
and osi Yesu say tio
so wo be koto asori mi a
so be koto mi a dey
asori mi
let us be gidie ya Illuminati
bebakuo ni mu dia a oba be join Illuminati dia
anka me di yenum nyina be
mema agidi wo Yesu po obo odie na oni kapre no ska os miniska sometimes Yesu ata na back oni kapre ejo odinkan tamu asofo mpanfo na omo join Illuminati ba ya omo be ka kire no say abrante ni gidi no omo ma omo di ka kire lu Satan say kokko yi hu adi ne kokka kire so megani wa megani ni nim de be ye no
komni nchiremu
joka se be je Baphomet who say Satan ye Baphomet te ni de ye say meboa good now o se bra be me Satan be di machi be koto me come and bow to me
na sasene su 2 million hinnie ni sika
nyina ntina ko bow to Baphomet udi asase su ye die nhira ni mu onyam ni nyina no agidi bebrebe yes musicians a part
asa uba sasene so na kutanso no market we bi e betwe sisi
ye twa to mo twa no de waka ho brabe du omachi wa ni omachi ya mokum uchu se do mbekum we ya jan mbekum we ya fast
Prophet Patafo ye si ade esi ya obambo ana
Jaja
ye tie ya say ya nwane kro mbeku ye
ye odi e tira ho what kind verse 8 no
the bacha 839 nina
o
say na obunsa fa no ebi okọ be pot
si hanu ye mami o so nim say obi se bekoto no be so na se be se maseme bo ana nim say Illuminati so ye the symbol of one Satan eye baphomet me bo to aso ana esum bi any one my promise fame prosperity e che esum be ya Illuminati omadwuma no okay to aso
wa che no wiase ahini ni nyina
na wa che ni wiase ahini MPs ministers high commissioners president ni mpemfuo nyina
enkron ana o say no say
ana o kachire Yesu say
so obekutumi asore mi a
so obekutumi asore mi a
aka me de yenum nyina be ma wo
aka me di we nyina be ma wo to aso
edu ana Yesu say no say
ana Yesu say
free horse Satan na wa kire say
ha on do obeka sisi a wa kire say
koto sori Awurade
koto ya dey
sori Awurade onyankopon
koto ne sori Awurade onyankopon
ono nkwara na som no
ono nkwa na dey
som no
bato wo hu de etie no ha eti wa say onkoto no meboa ye hwa de now sa Illuminati we no omo another eku a omo free Illuminati mu omate omo ye from skull and bone
omo free Illuminati ni
yes
ye from say
omo ya spiritual why spirit o hoda da bat omo launch no 1832 e wo Yale University e wo US now sa we no skull and bone eno no omo bra omo mfrel to say viasi prominent people ma bobra e wosi campaign pemfuo sankrofo no na ye part of skull and bone fraternity no na omo no ye ka omasam sa skull and bone we no omo out of Illuminati ni mu no omo na ku Yesu sa skull and bone omo ni viasi pemfuo na adefo asofo pemfuo akunni omo sika omo punu omo minimu a wiase ye din no sa ankrofo wi so what you say na me kire wade now me ba cho be Daniel chapter 7 verse 7
me ba cho so no say
dangerous omo dangerous kwa tell sa omo ankasa spiritual mother no
ye chiri no
on say skull and bone free Illuminati omo related but yeah skull and bone is dangerous
I see Illuminati
yes
Prophet Patafo
tuaso
ye chiri no
tio o se we yachi no
me de hwe ara anajo adehunum
anajo ni so adehunum anyame bie nanyi no tuaso
na hwe abo a otoso nan a ne ho ayehu
abo a otoso nan a ne ho ohu da fraternity no ne ho ohu papa
na ne ho se nwanwa
na ne ho nwanwa
na oye dembro so ni
oye de a obro sa Illuminati ni Masons ne Luciferian fo no so
onie
onunie wa pie
owo dade sen akese na odidi keka mu ede ne nan peche enkaye
odidi de ne nan peche enkaye
na esono no ene moa a wodi nanim enyina
osuno wono ene moa edi nanim na chese sa fraternity samabobo mu di nyina no omo leader no sa skull and bone we ni dangerous tell
na owo emendu
na chese emendu ya ewiase mpayinfuo bi a omo di omo asisi omo represent sa skull and bone fo no aha nwotwe
na me hwe emen no
hwe
abenkitua foforo bi epue anonom enta
sa abenkitua na epue no kwa ye dangerous so sene skull and bone on so ho mebo ni di
na aka ne man mu miensa asitutu eno ani
obu nyina ebetutu sa man we ya mabobo mu di nyina ebetutu o medwane wiase
na hwe na aniwa a etise onipa niwa
eni etise nipa niwa
ewo ne ano a ekeka insen kese ewo aben no
yes what kind of say no
e ba cho 8 na wie ye
ye men kan bi wa hu de me kire no good ana sai we no omo wie omo tin wa Yale University no eye 1832 no eye Russell ene Afonso sankofo emienu na sa principality
ko form
am so fire the buy what you say
ti omo so wo ho sisi e omo twen mfo atitire ni
ewo ho papa
nso ye ku ni
dangerous me be yi video bi ubeku
omo asasi so
yes omo dangerous pa omo de scafo ogbolos omo na wiase ge omo de
omo de ya
yes
omo na chire wiase
omo na tibi decide say ma do so do de ntem so no ma hwehwe mu amo nsem fata ne akumu ni amo ese fata atena so
ya semo Robert yetio
but you say na sa skalem bon we mu no omo na kum Yesu if say na sa spirit we no e de Daniel aka no nsem we no na ho da dansa na obeba official am ya de ya lanche no nchen na ma we free ye hwe Luke 23 verse 33
kufi yan hwe yan ko hwe mra
na chiro de ntia omku Yesu e wo Calvary
prophet or patafo
Can Luke 23:33 no say
Luke etie de onum yensa yi
kan brofo no ma me brofo ne hia
me pacho brofo no ese
o say
brofo no
o say
and when they were come listen
to it carefully when they were what
were come to the place
ombedru biaye ho na
which is called Calvary
what Calvary
there they crucified him.
That is when they crucified Jesus to us.
And the male factors.
That is sir and crophomia you do can ho sir.
One on the right hand.
And
the other on the left. 34. Then said Jesus. Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do.
Afeko country near Calvary. As it say. Scar ti konkro
na wodru baabi a wo friend ni tiri so
ti konkro Calvary asechire no obi ohwem bia ensechi Calvary asechire no se tiri konkro ni pati konkro
ese ho ye kum nipa o ha
enu ye kire o ye symbol ye de kire o say sa principality way one na say omu kutupa
omu dia wu no
ekun Yesu no if say Yesu who said to be catch says so be koto me be so ba for me so nya den
onye
o ma no ma sa skalem bo fo we ni chill no kun o Calvary ni chill say come and bow to me eye etikonkro no bra o so wo mba
ti o mu ye be you afra
and they killed Jesus at Calvary just to prove to the world say we are the one who did it.
Oh, okay. Kofi yan hwe de o kan no
to aso
wo fra ho ni tiri so no
eho
ana wo sane no
eho no sane Yesu tira ba bia no e betima boni atenuam ade ntina Calvary ba bia ti konkro e fre ho ti konkro ase kire no to mo nsore Calvary nyina ti konkro
e prophet of that for kofa asema ba o
ami tira umi ni asem kofa ti konkro ase kire se ti konkro Calvary ase kire se ni pa ti konkro
asemo
we dey say nya asem na me Calvary bi ase kire ti konkro
na se susum no jamia ku papa ono ni din no
ti konkro ase kire no anti answer Matthew chapter 4 no part we bi ho kan man won say
verse number
8 to 11 o say o ka kire
Yesu say na obo no bi o ko be potenten
o de ne ko be potenten so
na o ka kire no say
ene o ka kire ne say
na o kire no wiase ahinni
ene
emu animonyam na o say Yesu say so be kutu asore me a akam de yenum nyina be ma wo
me de yenum nyina be ma wo so be kutu me illuminati no o kutu me sole me Satan come and join my court entina ankrofo no unso mo ka say we de obema we de yehu mfonso bi ayede esuku na o se ne yeku no if you say wa me join you ka say Yesu ko na nkode no ko boss aso fo mpefa no ko meku no
ko tena so ase so
good wa nko join secret society nti yeku no
de wa ase no so Over the para for yanko na nsam ne de say yes ya twe wafa court nsam ni ma de be wura mu pa o.
Yes me ye.
Asa agenkwa no kure din no.
Hwe me ye parapsychology and occultism. Me de me feel the power.
Prophet opata.
It is a backward occultism ne.
Susum no ma
sa na. Pa ye kura na wo se epie na me hwe na o pese wo kire okota mi hu.
Obi bomba area.
Oh, say kura na okota for Syria mi hu.
Sa.
Yes.
Prophet opata.
No.
Yet you.
What you say? It is all Luciferian, Freemason, Illuminati, and Skull and Bone. And no one in a cow bomb, and no one did Bakuna. Society affairs a new world order.
I say, a corner of Bossuni.
Oh, we are to me.
Team Nina, no,
yes,
a team up.
And with their common new world order. No, we don't tell you, I'm going to be serious. I'm going to do yes, say your name, Bana. You best say one more, just say, umpo. Ultimi nyane would be okwachahin
and almost one way
amoho entina 666 also Illuminati Freemasons ayi dame na Illuminati any Skull and Bone also the any lewd
mona di lewd ba
yes answer about 6 miludu what must change 6 miludu 6 may lead you.
Brother top
me say me ka so be say
Daniel Puniti Nancy had and somebody on the big
yes
assassin so
Ludu
na body 6 million
abano sa dice na abano o say up to 6 no be sa
na be chim
it is our boss 6 answer ubo just our boss 6 answer na what me adu abano start
who fie until so benya 6
yes good it your time is coming now say 6 ne kura wa you can go at ultimate finance
mystery na wo ludu
yes and we should no mu develop ent mu bo ludu aba you see 6 miludu
bosses asa no what yes unyi sese bia ultimate
no time is coming ultimate ya ultimate finance 6 are ready mu ready
prophet pata for
yes
oi
until who buy 6 miludu 6 miludu or as you say 6 may lead you na yana na no about 6 miludu
o man tebro for nase
you 6 miludu or as you say 6 may lead you until na almost 6 I want me kind
assassin susia nsamo
plain truth at that whole but this will be
aba kire wo
I
be nim nya wo aye nim to oma you amodi aba
yes ubo ludu bi akai say
ya Canada bi a 6 miludu ya say ubo says na to be pie
yes enchemre bi ba say 666 I want to be found na ensi red ni kira sase
ai ensam ai yet you prophet
what you say and sa ayi na o calculate answer na o be wuro ukro ni mu ba wuro ni nyina no aye calculation ni mra asese ni ba beba bedi en na gusu white square na e korra aba no be wuro kuma pon so ma freeway no it won't say aba bi aye 4 north south east and west into omo part say ni be fa wiase nyina asase anu from na the 4 cardinal point no be fa ba bia yes until you need 6 miludu 6 may lead you by na no abon you see 6 miludu
then you do ma menuye
it is 6 no answer almost 6 I want me
tinsim
it is square near the number of days any years as you know 666 the baby do years na punish nipa until pia no answer pia bi wo so
ma drop ya fahari
ya arobi walls ti de wan ni emra ne nsem no so no wan di wan ni mra nsem so piano na gina ho ma aboa ne se ase ne se
kofi ho no se dai ka ho ni bi ko afa kura na me ade ne kura wura me yi hey dia tiano no
yes I plain truth
for kwadi bibo
I plain truth but who da Kai was say
I say na aheman yi mu abrempon makoma
that be Daniel 7 verse 7
7 verse 7 I say Ye chiri no. Me de hweyara. Anajo adehunu mu. Na hwe. Aboa a otoso nan a ne hu ehu.
Ne hu ohu.
Na ne hu onwanwa.
Ne hu onwanwa.
Na oye dembroso ni.
Oye dembroso.
Owodade sen.
Owodade sen. Twaso. Janna ye arrow no ntisa wo nni mra no so a.
No abo.
Eye 666 mra no so a. Ene sene ba wo.
Profit you.
What you say? It is uncle for when you know na aka bom. Ti game na mo turu nyina no mo ma ade na ho. Ye bon, e no kire se men tulu eye. Ba wo turu nyina no say 666.
Emle bi beba.
666. 666. Yes.
Ai, yensemo. Si agura ye dijiji ye ni yansa wase kire.
Unim ye kire ode ye ba wiase. Ye kire ode ye ba wi antimre bi ba. Red ni gina homa asase kokko. Mo se kokko bi asase bi e kokko. Ti ne de net kokko be ode e. Adam good. Ti red no se mre bi ba wa ngi sesi na. Untimi fa na nsi asase ne so. Eni ne kokko no. Enti na mbo 6 a untimi ye de.
Untimi tinsi.
Untimi tinsi ngi so bo 6.
Sana we hurasi. Wunyi sesi na. Mre bi ba ba show fi.
Dem se ni tuno so obi ntimi nton empia agi so de wo aboa na gina ye no. Tuonu ya na ya 6 miludu 6 miludu dabi 6 may lead you 6 may lead you
ati ase edi obie ye nipa mystery say o lead ase
lead no
ana
eti new
dia no so ne dame
calculations
adwini ni mu sa o na te chere man no
yes enimti ye wo mu ayi bi wo ha obawu ye wo carpet bi ana tiles bi owo say square na white yes asof omo ayi no ene omo de omo color no ene na ye dame no o say dame ni square color ni different
black and white
yes black and white yes sir and the soft obi awura na so dem as tiles ni o chiro some part of the masons
of that wouldn't some bebo yanko de yanko
what say be ko bibiri eti sa wa mu nyina na o maka bom na o de ade friend say new world order a o ma you o mu panyin no champion
it o mu panyin ni
pope pope
o mu panyin pa no
yes
ti ho na headquarters
the headquarters man enti tam o mu launch new world order no and o mu pay bibi su di see about no man for the o mu the Denver airport Colorado, America, and on this year, New World Order, Illuminati sign, and yes, you go down.
Airport to Honor.
Right. What you say? It be a Bible, Daniel chapter 7, but what be? Kind verse 19, you can never. Or money, San New World Order for no, or dear chesse.
Ana me pay se me hunu no kure a efa aboa a otoso 9
aboa otoso 9 no nyese scarlet bone no otoso 9 no opese ohunu no kure no tie
esono ono wo nyina mu a ne ho eyehu
ne ho ohu
ebruso a ne se eye dade
ne se ye dade se
na ne bowre eye ko obre mfrafra ye
ne bowre ye ko obre mfrafra ye
a odidi ekeka mu ede ne 9 pechenka ye
odi ni 9 pechenka nti new world order ne ba eno ne ye be hemra odi ne na peche Mason Illuminati peche Luciferian peche munyina mu be di new world order for na se fi say new world order sa emwa 1 2 3 4 ya peki munyina mu leaders ne do bakọ new world order Barack Obama ka ho American president o da nyame na make a metro video we nya say me ko mi say obi o
wo hu video
mi wo video Obama na gina ho ka bibia
Prophet Opatafo.
Mimi tumi a mi chiro mimi twa. Mimi tetra man twantro. Ya make what you say? Ha, mimi ka sama ye de wo ka na make.
Sa.
What you say? Aha wonye ya de na mbeka de chiro. Good. Enti ono no sa ya kan say. Ya piki wo munyina. Ena sa mwa na omu hide behind scenes empower society no. Omu nyina ye principalities ebi from reptilians mu. I say reptilians no omo na rule America. America ankasa ye reptiles from akumako 8. Omo na control kroni nyina. Yes.
Omo no omo so wo here.
Omo ye extraterrestrials, omo nya nipa o. Omo ti what say nipa, but omo nya nipa. Yes, ye were archons, ye were aliens. And ye were aliens. It is a new world order. Aliens are part. Archons are part. Aeons are part. And as our reptilians, bono. And to the higher technology, until we introduce you 5G in the system, and this is what is ahead coming. To us, when I'm in trouble,
I say,
aha.
Na nitriso e main do.
Nitriso e main do at as systems ni government on be use amono. 10 nations very powerful.
Ene foforo a epu no a miensa tutu won anim.
Aye.
Aben no a wo aniwa ene ano a ekeka nsenkese.
Okay.
Na wo hwe a eso sene mfafo no that ede.
What you say wo so sha. Eso sene wo mo adi nkan ni nyina. Je wiase ntina baba mmehye. Untumi nsum nyame biem.
Etamo kam.
Ani word what that nya ba ya encho. Na nura kwa me check wo mo.
Untumi ye fra wa ma. Untumi tena nkan.
Na wo ba me be preach ade na me di. Me di dey. Ntina mo se mre bi bo nipa be chinchina wo twetwede. Apede ya. Nyame asem na onya. Enye bibia new word what that. Yes, new word what that ba obi ntimi wo frem so me preach ame ma. Di sa ta me na ya na so o ma me ma nso ano. Eno di e ba wo so an tutimi ni Onyankopon se o dem di nkomo.
Ai prophet opatafo. The aba wi ase no.
Eye ho wo di me ba be che video e wo me phone so. To aso.
Ade oni ba ko. Me hwe.
O hwe yo.
Asa aben no ne ahotefo di akon.
Okay, sa aben no. Sa aben be yi sa kuo ye new world order. Eni ahotefo be di akon na tie ni ye.
Na etumi won.
Na ebetumi ahotefo se ebetwa fa Christopher nti a time is coming John ni Obiam Baptist ni o obata for me medina me ka say sachra fanya me.
Senetagu.
Oh, na senetagu kura.
Daniel sha honkom.
Oh, Daniel aka bibia ni nyina begu no asori. Because on be samra say ye nyinara Pentecost SDO why ye nyina ye nkọ Pope once. Unim na atwa asori e be jelu.
Bia nkọ so
Go to Pope
asori ni bi.
Go to Pope.
No.
SDO for unim na kwa asori Sunday a o bu.
Before Daniel the honkom aba.
Enti nyame sheda kire ye enti na 2020 mka se nyame kire ye bibi. Anse ba ye shamra mo bia nkwa so de. Ubetimi akọ. Enti mire bi ba government and higher governmental institutions no be shamra don't go to church.
2020 no boshe ni bi na nyame.
Ye dia kire wiase. Ye dia kire tibi tom na bi
nko asole nko bibia nko.
School club be with rules because if you don't have 666 you can't go to
school.
School for bank better than what your school fees.
Prophet opatafo. Kofi yanko e.
Kofi said your owo from the santre no buy.
Kofi said owo from the santre. Omo dia Christopher ani akopim sansa na Messiah na eba. Atam se mi nduro na meko.
Uri ara so ko e.
Na na ga pele mo na te ya. Tu aso me di kuma so la ya tani wura mo famo ade.
Na wo
do ya do baba.
Endi e some mo ya news enti bia mo nya news anye pa. Boni atiefo akwa bi oso anyi sesesi no na soldiers wa tere mbo mo mbo no. Tu aso ha.
Na wo bu osusu ni no ahotefo ne bem.
O bu osusu ni no ahotefo no ha.
Ebem. Na bre a esese ahotefo eso ahini ni mu no efiri.
Traso. And this new world other way no. A plan where ya society or media show a part of all the secret society na maka nyina. And no never. Ahemfu nyina ye part akon for a part aso for a part. Ibia e part your video say wait me ma.
Then you hear prophet video na.
Video ni want me mo hwe just 10 minutes but ma tia say.
Actually be frɛ waje.
Said the last week mu ye the other.
Be frɛ waje.
Oh.
You be frɛ waje.
Ti say
anti ma woda ma me hwɛ. Dani tutu.
appeared before the Congressional Committee to tell what I knew of activities which might lead to an attempt to set up a fascist dictatorship.
The potential for the disastrous rise of misplaced power exists and will persist.
The very word secrecy is repugnant in a free and open society. And we are, as a people, inherently and historically opposed to secret societies, to secret oaths, and to secret proceedings.
President Bush signed a formal agreement that will end the United States as we know it. And he took the step without approval from either the U.S. Congress or the people of the United States.
The secret organizations of the world power elite are no longer secret.
It's known as the Bilderberg Group. Could their objective be world domination?
Defense Secretary Chuck Hagel said we are seeing a new 21st century world order being built. And although there are conflicts and complications, there's still hope.
I think what's more hopeful, and maybe than any other time in the history of the world, is that we have more opportunities and more possibilities and more resources and more capacity to do more good for more people.
We meet here at a moment of testing for Europe and the United States, and for the international order that we have worked for generations to build. But part of what makes us different is that we welcome criticism, just as we welcome the responsibilities that come with global leadership. We look to the east and the south and see nations poised to play a growing role on the world stage, and we consider that a good thing. It reflects the same diversity that makes us stronger as a nation, and the forces of integration and cooperation that Europe has advanced for decades. And in a world of challenges that are increasingly global, all of us have an interest in nations stepping forward to play their part, to bear their share of the burden, and to uphold international norms. But at this moment, we must meet the challenge to our ideals, to our very international order, with strength and conviction. And it is you, the young people of Europe, young people like Laura, who will help decide which way the currents of our history will flow. Do not think for a moment that your own freedom, your own prosperity, that your own moral imagination is bound by the limits of your community, your ethnicity, or even your country. You're bigger than that. You can help us to choose a better history. That's what Europe tells us. The policies of your government, the principles of your European Union will make a critical difference in whether or not the international order that so many generations before you have strived to create continues to move forward, or whether it retreats. And that's the question we all must answer. What kind of Europe? What kind of America? What kind of world will we leave behind? I congratulate you on taking your place on the long gray line. But the world is changing with accelerating speed. This presents opportunity, but also new dangers. It will be your generation's task to respond to this new world.
Yes, I think its task will be to develop an overall strategy for America in this period when really a new world order can be created. It's a great opportunity. It isn't such a crisis. There's a need for a new world order, but it has different characteristics in different parts of the world.
The affirmative task we have now is to actually create a new world order, because the global order is changing again. And the institutions and rules that worked so well in the post-World War II era for decades, they need to be strengthened.
The way we're going to win over the long term is not just militarily. We've got to win over hearts and minds. And what that means is we've got to invest in countries that have no educational infrastructure, have no means for young people to get ahead. We've got to give them a stake in creating the kind of world order that I think all of us would like to see.
After 1989, President Bush said, and it was a phrase that I often use myself, that we needed a new world order.
And the hope that each of us has to build a new world order in which nations and peoples with different systems and different values can live together in peace.
And I strongly believe India will be a central actor in the new world order.
The President George Bush has talked time and time again about the new world order, and this is the best chance to begin to establish the new world order.
But it is the awareness itself that will drive the change. And one of the ways it will drive the change is through global governance and global agreements.
Right now we see for video na yakọ hwa no. Hey, and some we as say ada and so na egu abonte. Prophet opata for. Eh, wada mayada wo. Na say the e wo wi ase. Ya for ho part to what that.
We say new world order. Based on our explanation, it is said, I mean, show my dear. And it says, some will be free, Sabi, Krum to a mobile room. Now, so I'll be turned up, no cotton, one channel. And in this watching, I see, and when do the Mona woman knew the actual so a bar will be a banyan freedom, will be to me, shall so be to me, coon, just any of them more tears here. No more would you have the friend another the Bible, what can see a best send pa. Untimin, Tontimin, Tiano. Who's the president for woman, you know, beyond science? Obia training now. Which way, you know, I can say, how my so part means that they are part of the fraternity. Yeah, the worship of sir, yeah, skull and also because you trust skull and bones. And fraternity. I part Luciferians and Satanists, Freemasons, Illuminati, skull and bones, no matter boom, I'm waiting to Bible actually. Some will be dinner, I mean, Maswa saying, I mean,
Prophet Opata,
it is a well saying, yes, I see, and also when you bring your
son on the day by Europe. I
one young son, and any problem, no problem now, one bonny penny, son.
That's all one son of the air. You now found
beyond maybe 2 women, son. Me,
this is
Martin would damn near. Been found.
I don't son.
Because it pick it up and once I'll come upon it.
Yeah, by you. Okay, yeah, no, so I know yeah, I
don't hear Mawa, yeah, to say, yeah, or be also journey, be out journey, I can't say, Kumaso Lauka media crew. Why do we?
So you saw yeah,
tomorrow.
You see a Janos would be a son when you're missing bona down or down on a chest. We have a panic band to say, 6 bunny, how a papa in Casama on a way. Your one, I see, Moya, my hand to them, it was somebody will nip me a son. Prophet or Pata, so nip me a children of final. What idea you mean in time to be a solid?
Yes, sorry.
That be so be black. As I know, said I bet not near a dump paying for be having in the and I'm so see you be about the
2025.
And I baby, oh, Prophet of Patafo. Now 40 days could I get your day in summer. I don't cry a year 20 year 20. Prophet of Patafo 40 days. Yes, you are dancing, but
but in a very near dancing.
Now I don't know quite a smell who say Prophet of Patafo.
I probably say, oh, but that's when I'm something there.
Who don't sanction the dog?
Who too?
Sanction.
So some buy, also me buy. Me be yes one dancing. Me dear John one dancing. My trust we see. Or see me the papa the bonies when
you be the open.
Do you bonia? It was not the way you papa, me see Debbie. Send your call Johnny fraternity to me work miracles for you. Yes, you make my work miracles amount. There now Jesus where the audience engineering. I said, cast on no bed Jimmy and me dimunti. Do I yard in the sunny alley or what you money? Ye are much free so none of them. But what I say, and this animal in your Nipanama Bay Aduna, you who to me see money dinner me more dance.
I don't know some is
someone I know.
Oh, me phone on some about
every last week. Meet here be animal meeting.
Now, back could the woman back on the last year of Bagana to oversee me so. Intimidate ya dako to me frame pa any her programmer. Now, I say a ball, I can't born communion. What to see Mudin or a bomb by I say a punch in a need than the jump. I'm an peer. Hey, Prophet of never be said to Mrs. R.
A principality. Who I was at 7 I asked we want to be bidding and in a museum. Who on my plant to be bid down moon. Yes, so Satan was any pa. Why ya plant to be said down young but when you're on your way.
And some see we are so.
Minimum beer bibi ninam na yasia. Bumper a goose just was no bed with dim one. Na yasu one sa could do us or chimsa or chimas. I didn't appear sabi free ni mobile to say cra.
Yes, in your day. Prophet Topata for
just enter ye jina ni pano. I don't say the baby.
Now the other one say, oh, but now if you so maybe I'm a TA and declare 40 days, you know. Woman back on the rich Sunday, ya no shane the as you. On crowd the one tenant into a and peer video the man as a general. No, so one known communion on your near wine or you any be crow near be. Communion on Kwana one what Tiamu Jesus another than Asha. What Tiamu and also the end of the
I'm saying for or what Munu angels Nanka said deliver. Backward in the man of the video.
No, be say.
Sanu na me
was how yes aduma no bofu timi kodi.
Oh, now there's a bit tena fie. Esuma so me deliver. O ma be deliver.
Abofo no.
Life o ma be deliver no mo deliver sa, o me deliver.
O din samo basa sisu o.
Power o za ni o ma ni dey forget it. O mo no o ma ya za ma se nyame ni tu. Ba nyame o.
Prophet top.
Na wo bet ma tena fie asuma angels thousands of thousands no be yo do be bia no ma sa ba. I'm to me, dear. Me, I dance in my tibia.
I've me crown. I'm not my pebia tea. What more than I some.
How more money be in the air time? Papa, we
who went and tried here. My tibia, I'm saying, hey, none some more, sir.
And run a bonfire. Best
woman be a bram kakra to me. Your friend, no, Madame Lisbeth from Pont or US. Or say. Owo adwuma na oyiye ya wodi akira na obaafie ana obegina mu bo kakra no communion na tietia mu kakra
wow
na onum communion ni wie ya olom bi o se adwuma omo ya o se mo bonus bi
sika bi on fama no
ya wa ya obi dia omo apply 2 days ne de ama no
ron ko ade
be 3 months 1 day ne de ma o bo communion no be usam ne phone so pepe sika na you ready baje
na sana yobre no hwana na tie adwuma mu
ana me nwanwa sa da suom no na sa ni fie ankrofo na haja kini sika no wo
wo mutimi
me se wa bra me bi me say
adanse ndi
amtini ma boni di dwam Madam Lisbeth from Paul US wa bra me bi adi no ati ma fele me ka tag ntimi ya ba ma pa madam ba bia wo bia me do ase na mi shraw do ase
sa oh Israel no more obi na my ba ko bi mzo here o si papa me wo chire me o ti me niska not knowing say o si be 18 years ago okoye investment bi na the refi obo communion no wie nkikira oto so o say kekere no mo kasa chire igu na so mo chire o pa refi say yes a man say okoye investment bi savings bi say ko o paper na da ko ese ke ko fire kra
wa hu papers no
ani ni o ma say wa ko investment da
on kai wa nyina na
ba panyini
na ni sika lock ba bi company o pudo so da baby na bofo no na be ya chere no prof audio wonders bi ehu
me say woman ba ko o say papa me ye brew abusua ni mu anka 100 ye ya kra na wo kasa I me book communion we 3 days. Or thou son who said papa. 1986.
86 no papa free assassin.
Also more bread, more branca because all your crowds when yes can give.
And Toby to communion and when you
go Bobby. The bottom or one and be ya. Who says any papa dinner team? No mubusa na
bua papa.
Tafo busa papa question no ya no kasa no kan on tiase no bi busa o mo courtroom say dey no say Latin kasa.
And no kan wo soro ho.
E di wa na ba ku busa say asichere ni say dey no pa kire. Oso papa say ade ye ne ya ne say ade odi for say ni mali nyina odo mu nyina fa baabi.
O say ne ma no.
Oh, no my breast are from 1986. Your community or economy in the oh, the cool. Now,
Prophet Pata,
you want more accepts all men says easy or boy. Now,
where the middle cattle and your brochure for where the local what a year, Hojo, a Palaku estate here. Uma Bako. Now, Otimusa brochure for any be dear dancing. It's no was what from our own fat. I know by you, Mamma. Na me yesho se kofuku uma kram wo gina so bi saa na kofide me number ma na se on frɛ me na me de me bɛn wo kakra na de wo hia bi amaya ama no na uma no ye ya nam se wo de ya sha se la su kesi ye nyina ye wa tweyem ye ntimi home saa nti kasa no wa on de on pel ye ni bi no on je ni communion na me mfa video ni ma no no on hwenye bi it was if last week Sunday o born communion na lady bia we free be 8 years ni
okay
na obi ba na okofa ne ne betena ye
okay
na onun communion na say na ni ikoni saati akonwama obo se lady ne ba no so no tiam Jesus na adenatiko nti we ya no ye nya we so ofrem no say nti o mu vision ni ana oye di
Thomas sister
the next day oginam ne third day no was wo ha no fra ne ka chiri ne back boy back so pie obehu se omudru ne compound ho na aboa bi ti se prako efrifie ho dimrika gigigigi opeso hluwo ni pie
efie ne wo he fata na nkwa mi
oh Paraku estate
okay mami hu fie na
residential area mami ya di fo kofi mu nim no se mo ha na mo de number ma
se de mami hu sa dan kwa anto wo fa ho
nya dan kwa mi fo hu na ma ne won se prophet of patafo
okay yeah any mami fine say hey by quite crazy
mami no se ni yam hyehyɛ no aboa ne foso no ohuri wo no ati si fie ba akomu na otwe ne ba ne say he yenko dem na de mi hu de ehu o se o fa ne ba ko ni ho no apie obehu se soldiers for e fie o ma soldiers for share uniform pow na unim say anya da suom so no nya service no anopa be 6 ana obi e get us na soldiers for be be say say o frɛ yen wo se yam na meboa wo yam esiesie fie ha what bre ana panyini pa no wo mu no mia wunti na ye nam enti dom we nyina
soldier military pain
was share white tuntum ana obisa am say dia ma hu na no pa no na am say on twa me bisa military patafo anu soldiers for the na musa abofofo no soldiers recruit for
we the hu no a second in command on hwe se Michael Tunutu a on hwe na chima no
soldier panyini no ade dom na
on a second in command
also they say
Michael from on friend Nathaniel Nat
no did dom nam sa
and one of angels say the Nancy area ha principality bi wa bia we dwane
nti na aboa ni dwane
ye principality oni ni tifi
and some prophet of battle for the bibi bas as you so
spirit na opie te say aboa preko na no te say dwane spirit oni ni tifi
oni woman na tifi
yes nti wa konum na wa invite nyame no and that's our angel na san unse bika to na ko find this bibi ma kacha na bie nti wo poko na boni ye nko ade a wo say bibi sima enti wo mu de ne nurse wo za military so aba sa angel no o sane a sa we aboa no demon bi adwane principality bi adwane
unti mu ya rough
nti eye no ana obi a omu wo fi ho nti omu nti na sa ade ne ye de adwane what you say ana wo be surprise de na mo hwehwe ti won so kire say mu nti ne bae o na afre yen so won frɛ na nko ma what you say nti say we so according ni nkotodwa ni mu ana obompa ya then we be catch rom say ebi a so we ade we na jiji mu we na yese mu
o kan ha no mo so
mo ma no munye we na ham akokura di matembe for years mu twa na chikakra ma me na obi adu atefo years na wanya tum se so call revenge no bomb na nya sesi akama ba be obi me de obbo me 20 ma bo
problem ne say prophet opatafo yeti ha mi ne me dani ni kofoku ye nyina nokure ni ya kwa asole kakra communion ya o di Joe fans be ya num bi da o aso ya hu de ye huhu ana na nko communion ya num ya no me pie say prophet opatafo na eye enwanwa no
e nyame ngo sra omo kum ana wo mai we mai baako obo
Sisa communion na ye hu activate ntina
na wo de ko fa communion as ma bompa ya gusu di ama age num frequency ban na deactivate and 2%. I say ni pan no more tin nyame ne. On say ma me kire wade o. Ni pa bia be konko to dwanim say wo bom paye bia. Mpaye na ye three things, either welfare prayer, thanksgiving, and as a supplication. Supplication prayer na ye dey say wo sire bibia free nyame ho. Welfare only demons and principalities ikoko and na thanksgiving. Samba ye we mi ensa na akobo. Na samba ye mi ensa no abri bia be si utrase bia be bom paye ni mu mi ensa bia no. O so wani bi. When you me and just said the oye no amfa
nyame antie
David so tie also activate when say welfare until I'm saying which mo oyo na me wo angels from do mo di akiri what you say me wo igio no atiasfo ba na ni di akiri mo igio no ho me wo lion no o di akiri what you say ana mo sa you can say the otisa ponko na woman hu no otise on taba ye ono sa angel no na odi wani say what the shadia na the kodia na say yeah enti me dia na me dia sasa fa na judgment ne
rock
mamlela ni mu enti so you so a obehu vi se bia ya oba ne no da sunsun na ba ma bo sa ko twe no tawo fa ko ko twe aha enti bo so abesa pen opaso no ye bibi sa de na wo hu ye no wa di ko di na se no enti sa wo de sa wa di na di a kiro what is now Lord of Justice no do yes military man
commander no
one on do be kun one no ni sere o be sell sign jo no be sell o ye ni do be ba o be how
on do soldier ni
we so on camera ntino di on bebrebe ntino be ya papa mesia so o mo ya papa soldier so obi am si o mo na na duam se o mo nyohwe e me squad no mba be ba ho ba
entina no na ekuro yi
na me se me nsuro bia
recruit for ade o mo na
mo dinya bra wo de se da se fa me bot test and I'm bought this. I'm just so tira so bompaya. Sabi man o bompaya. So e den a ditro. O sunsun. Na wa hu dia na sabi a wo ye na mfa.
Ye ginam and ye ginam pa.
So on dey me fa che.
Ye nyina ginam.
Mu de hanki hwem sum ni asala mu ti dwam. Amfa wo sani fan so mbiem, fa wo sani bonkum.
Fa so hanki
ni. Sa hanki no. Edina watro ne mu baako ne ha anintia
odaso na uti gaga
say ya o ma me baako papa baako na wa udi sa uti mu amuti dam gaga na mu baako
na etete wa brabo
mu baako na etete wa brabo etisise no ene ye Friday a wo hwem Saturday Sunday up to the next week Friday me so prayer and sesa no e mompa ye nsre bibia ka kire nyankopon so on to nipa o house re
ya kwa reto o se urade fa kan 10
pa bi o ha so re o sampa enti
kofi tie o areto
tie enti wudi Psalm 35 verse 6 na fa bo sampa e
o se quotation
35
kofi ya ha de o ho misro
santa the same no mo munim o se ma urade bofo nta na urade
kofi de ka o ha me
ton so re
kana quotation we de o hia pa o hia aha kofoku onya ready ana
enti Sao kais atem 35 now found something.
How akwan emu enu.
Ewurade nimpa bi a wo ye tie de okoka ewurade nimpa bi o ye bia ma na akwan mu nurusu.
Na enye totoro.
Na akwan mu nye totoro.
Na ewurade bofo enta.
Ewurade ma bofo nta. Enti wo ahokire na da so ye ka. Ewurade me bo ahokire firi me so. Me dane wo wo firi so ewurade ma bofo nta nipa. Akwa we kunu firi ho ma mo ntome. Ewurade yini firi ho. Mesro Bomodi na china shase mam na wiki mi pebie di bronya oi
abusafo
nya abutre me kama asema se abusafo ne wa abusia abusia ba la bo awde ha yesa
baba da ba yetio
tiere me se wiki as me baby
kokuma manfo abusia
yes some my ya honto ya so ya mi nda omukum I just say wiki
then you was how no awusunity
yes
so for na the trim adi
yeah you are one life from some my honto ya so mo honto ya etitie ne tie bofo special bi aba o small pa intina ma switch prayers na mo pa ye nsra de ebiem emusa we say urade do ade yare ato tan so wura mi fie nipa na Monday to Friday we so obeti me kan obom pa ye we yi a sugu nyame so ha do all how no be frem aka obewu wo ho ne afro we abu yare we awu da ho we say no ano kase urade on ton so wura na untina soldiers one wa assassin so no
prophet o ye ni bi wo ho
wa opi bia betima ma
sa ntiam fro alright abusa fo Yanya voice me right abusava prophet opatafo na ordinance ebaye no na wotwe se ne de oye bia e betra se de no beba abusafo na otu mu nyina nka Kofi Abronoma edine ye bido ote ne nka sa na mi nua the CEO Danny Boy and so hana the head senior prophet senior pastor Zen senior pastor Kofi Sikapa and also tajuma die na chi midin di osefi emfensi ha mama bai